Welcome to Linux Help channel. In this video, we are going to see about Bludit CMS. First, we view a short intro about Bludit. Bludit is a free, open source and simple web application with which you can create your websites or blog within few minutes. Since the Bludit application has files in JSON format for storing the content, there isn't any necessity to install or configure a database. Although you need to make sure that you have a web server with PHP support for using it. This tutorial covers the installation of Bludit CMS on CentOS 7.5. The requirement for Bludit CMS, Apache, PHP and its modules. First, I am going to check my CentOS version. My CentOS version is 7.5. Now I am moving into installation procedure. First, I am going to download the Bludit CMS installation package using duplicate command. Once the download is completed, extract the downloaded package using unzip command. Once the extraction is completed, move the Bludit CMS directory to Apache root directory. Now set the ownership and permission for the Bludit CMS. Now configure the virtual host for accessing the Bludit CMS. Now save and quit. Once all the step is completed, restart the Apache service. Now switch to your browser and enter your domain name. This is the Bludit CMS installation page. Now select the required language and click next. Now create your admin credentials here. Now the installation is completed. This is the Bludit CMS dashboard. This is the method how to install Bludit CMS on CentOS 7.5. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. For more details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.